We've got a Suzuki Bandit MK2, 600, with 48,000 miles on the clock. Got a bit of an exhaust blow on it that we're going to have a look at, bit of an exhaust rattle. Front and rear brakes are binding. These are rear tyre, and we're going to do the fork seals as well because they're weeping. Let's get it started. Right, that's the forks done. So now I've got to do the brakes. Pretty bad. And they're all obviously seizing up. So I'm going to be taking the pistons out and I'm going to be replacing the rubbers that are in there, the seals. There's a dust seal and then obviously the hydraulic seal inside there. I've got to take them all out, clean up in the grooves and then put it all back in. I did the forks. Obviously I've done both of them, but I didn't film all of this one. I just took it apart and then obviously filmed putting the seal in and filling it. No point in videoing it, showing it all being cleaned up again like the other one. And then I've got to take the back wheel off, change that tyre, and I've got to do the repair kit on that one as well because it's fucking solid, that one. Right, let's carry on. That's that size on. I've just took that one off there. I'm not going to film the entire thing, obviously, rebuilding and cleaning it. But there's the other caliper on the other side. It's all clean. Cleaned up all the pistons. I'm going to get that one fitted, and then all I need to do then is change that rear tyre and do that rear caliper, but it's going to be tomorrow, that one now, because I'm running out of time. It's gone dark. Here we go. Next day. All I've got now is the tyre and the repair kit on that rear caliper. Here we go.